A cross-section is the combination of the horizontal and vertical alignments shown on the plan and profile sheet in the typical section. All three designs are joined together to establish amounts of excavation and embankment, and to establish limits of construction for proposed rights-of-way. Along the bottom of each cross-section template are the station, finished grade, FG, and distances left and right of center line of survey. Along the left and right edge of each cross-section template are elevations above sea level. The template portion of the cross-section is the line that is represented by the note, grade to this line, on the typical section. This encompasses the driving lanes, shoulders, backfills, foreslopes, ditch bottom, backslope, and fill slopes. These slopes and ditches are governed to a certain extent by the finished grade elevation and the existing ground line, which is represented by the dashed line. Items which are depicted on the cross-section are existing or present right-of-way, proposed right-of-way, special ditch flow line elevations, driveways with notes, side drain structures with notes, existing cross-drain structures with notes and flow lines, and proposed new cross-drain structures with notes and flow line elevations. Crossing and parallel utility notes and labels are also shown on the cross-sections. Exact locations and elevations are generally unknown and should be verified through utility ownerships, as spelled out on the first plan and profile sheet, and through the Oklahoma one-call system. Call Okie at 1-800-522-6543 or 811 prior to grading operations. Along the left side of the cross-section are the cut and fill areas of each respective template in square feet. Along the right side is the cut and fill volume, which represents the total volume of material between two cross-section stations in cubic yards. If we take a look back at our 2x4, if the typical is the template of the front view, the cross-sections are the slices of the road at even increments along the project. They depict how the typical section will interact with the horizontal, vertical alignments and existing ground. They also call out any changes to the typical design. This gives the reader a better look at what is actually happening throughout the project.